Ano po, kung makikita po ninyo, may nagka-camping po yan siya. So, dito na sila natutulog paggabi, nag-overnight. Ayan. Ayan. Kita ba nyo? Pwede ka pong matulog dito. Sobrang init lang ngayon, talagang ano. Grabe yung temperature, 100 mahigit. 100 mahigit. Ayan. Mahilig kayo mag-trail. Woo! Look. Papasok na. Leo, look. Baby. DJ. Come on. Psst. Let's go here. There's a cave here. Ayan guys. Makikita po ninyo. No, here. This way. This way. This way. No, not this way. This way. On the side.
Oh.
Here. But be careful, huh?
Daddy, I found a kangaroo rat. Yeah. Wait.
Come on, hurry up. Jana, focus on your... Jana, focus.
Let's go.
Focus. Ayan guys. Okay. Ito na yung cave. Oh. Baka may ano dito. May snake. Woo! Finally, there's a shade. Ooh, look at that.
I need help.
There, over here.
Here?
Yeah. Help her, baby. Ayan guys. So, nandito na tayo.
I need help.
No, hold her hand, baby. Hold her hand. Guys, dito. Oh. Baka may ano dito, putsukan, ano ba yun? Tawag nun.
This is actually so cool.
I know. It's cool, it's a big rock. Woo! Ang ganda, man.